What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. We got some exciting things to get into today. We had the Shiba Inu AMA. Now, a lot of people, feeling different with it. Personally, a lot of the, me personally speaking, a lot of the questions I wanted to hear answered were not answered. I felt the questions that they did go into, some were, they had some points there, but a lot of the important questions that I heard from the community were not even brought up, or just, kind of pushed to the side. But we'll go over in this video what we did get answers to and what we can be expecting in the, next couple of days, because we did get, some potential major news for this next week. So make sure y'all stay tuned to this video so y'all can get that. But first off, come join our private investment community here on Facebook, private stock market game. We're over 6,000 active investors here. Also join me on Twitter, follow me there at DecemberDeMarco, so that way you can get basically expedited into the private investment community. And now here's a few updates of the few key points from the AMA, what we did go over. So just starting back from some of the major catalysts that we had, Shiba Inu holders are petitioning to get a partnership with the Champion clothing brand. So that was one of the things that we heard mentioned during the AMA. Also, Welly's just showing their support for the AMA. We got some conversation about them talking about who is best dressed. Man, they were going off into all types of side things of when they knew each other and different things like that. But some of the major key points that we got here. So Sling TV is now accepting Shiba Inu as a form of payment. So now you can pay for a subscription with Shiba Inu thanks to BitPay. So that's some more acceptance or adoption that we're seeing here. Also, we seen almost 7,500, just about 8,000 people pull up to that AMA. So there was a lot of people in attendance. I do think it went a little smoother than the first AMA, but I still think we have a lot of room to go. Honestly, I think it's time we put together an ignored community Shiba Inu AMA or something like that, because we need to really, talk about some of the real points that, daily investors, want to know. And a lot of y'all that follow the channel, y'all know we talk about Shiba Inu every single day. So to just kind of dance around some of the important questions, was not what we wanted to see. So major Indian exchange now allows buying Shiba Inu with 0 fees. And y'all don't get this twisted. I'm 100% bullish on SHIB still, but I really think it's time that us as a community, because it is a community token, we start stepping up to the plate as well and start providing some value to our own ecosystem. Because we can't just sit here and expect the devs to do everything. There's only, a handful of people that are working, as devs on the Shiba Inu project. So, there's way more of us than it is of the actual dev team. So, we have to put our heads together and think how we can provide value to this ecosystem to all work towards this 1 cent goal. So, Doggy DAO 1 beta focuses on the following: make those projects available in our official pools and choose how these will affect the APs that will decide the amount of bone the pairs will receive as rewards. So another new record, SHIB surpasses 1,186,000 holders. Also, we got a community question. How did you get started in SHIB? Share your story. So I want everybody, that's rocking with me to, really, be tapped in with me. I want y'all to share your story of SHIB in the comment section. I'm really gonna be reading these and engaging back with y'all. I'm truly interested to see how all y'all began, buying SHIB or learning about SHIB, or what was your first run-in with SHIB. Let me know about that in the comment section. So also from Milkshake, in addition to community efforts, project efforts, and paying attention to these, in which Shiba takes the lead as a community, not just one individual pushing these efforts, understanding the proficient behavior to evolve a project while reducing circulation is the win. So that was part 3 of 3 of a 3-part series. So let me start with 1. So it's important to acknowledge a good sustained burn structure that allows growth while benefiting the community. Burns are highly appreciated by me, and I've mentioned this a lot of times in regards to the community efforts. So a retweet from Milkshake saying, love the power of Sheep Army in the community. Sheep burn efforts. You are noticed. You are appreciated. Part 2 of that, I always go back to my early conversations with now payments and push for burning sheep through utility. There's the key factor, to build sustainability through utility. We know everything being built will have burn methods and opportunities going forward. No gaming. So part 3 of that, in addition to community efforts, project efforts, and paying attention to these, in which Shiba takes the lead as a community, not just one individual pushing these efforts. Understanding the proficient behavior to evolve a project while reducing circulation is the win. So let's keep going. Just covering, all the points. I want y'all to be able to, because the AMA was over 2 hours long. For y'all that, couldn't tune in to that or just, missed it. We're just, going over this to sum up all the key points. I will be doing a live stream tomorrow at 12:30 Pacific Standard Time. So make sure y'all tune in tomorrow, 12:30 Pacific Standard Time. We'll be going over everything, breaking this down a lot further. I'll be, updating y'all on, some of the new news that we'll get that comes out overnight. Because I still see Satoshi teasing us with, another update, or supposed to be a big, internet breaking, catalyst coming this week within the next 7 days, y'all. So we'll be covering that closely. So don't forget to share how you got started with Shib in the comments. So now let's start getting to some of these points. So there was an announcement made that there will be a burn portal launched. So it says soon, not sure when, not sure exactly what this burn portal means, but to my knowledge, it sounds like just, somewhere maybe on the website where you can go to, burn your own token at your own will, basically. So instead of having to participate in, which not saying instead of, but just another alternative to burning through, watching some of the channels and things like that, you'll be able to directly burn Shib through the website. But a lot of us want to see some burn implemented as well by the dev team, which they're letting us know that it is coming, but we want to talk more about that though. So current Shiba Guru AMA topic, Welly decentralized food. Wellies, we talked about Wellies update NFTs exclusive for Wellies that will fund future locations. So that's something that could be very interesting. Remember, we talked about, those franchise opportunities for Shiba Inu holders. So I would like to make sure that Shiba Inu is incorporated though into every new thing that we're adding to the ecosystem. I try to just have faith in the team that they have the project's best interest in mind, which I truly 100% trust that they do, especially knowing who Ryoshi and Satoshi are. I definitely believe they do, but I don't want us to get lost in the sauce by, starting to create too many other projects and getting ahead of ourselves. But we'll talk more about that in the live stream tomorrow. So make sure y'all tune in tomorrow, 12:30 Pacific Standard Time. So, also, breaking news, 99,000 lands totals acknowledged for the metaverse, codename Shibers. So they announced that 99,000 Shiba Inu lands will be available, which will be available for the first 10-day period to leash holders. So make sure y'all have your leash ready if you want to, get in and snatch up some land. I believe the max plot you can get is like a 10 by 10, which is like 100 spaces basically. So stay tuned. We'll be doing a more in-depth breakdown on the live stream tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So confirmed, sheep, leash, and bone will be utilized in the metaverse. Codename Shibers. Just in, leash, and also there's a fake Shiba Inu metaverse going around right now that is already launched. Please be aware, do your due diligence, and don't be fooled by these scammers. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and what works for you. This is just meant as, information to inform you about, things that, are going on in the crypto space. So breaking, Shiboshis get 2,000 lands exclusively reserved for Shiba Inu NFT holders. So that's something that, I'm excited to see about that. For those of us that are holding Shiboshis, they're letting us know they haven't forgot about us completely in that aspect as well. So they might do something interesting with those 2,000 lands, like build, some prime location inside of their metaverse that will, somehow create William Volk said he didn't want to call it passive income, but just create some other type of benefit or bonus income to holders. So also Shiba Inu Games came up. Topic: Shiba Inu Games featuring surprise speaker William Volk. We also got, so he touched on some of the games. He talked about, it's not actually just a passive income stream. You will have to be active, an active member of the community to receive some of these bonuses or benefits. Also, we got a confirmation of the Wolf Paper version 3 being developed. So we still, the top rated questions that we seen in the Discord were not we didn't receive full answers to those questions, and that's just kind of what I was hoping we would have got. We also didn't get Satoshi to really pull up to the Discord, or not the Discord, but the AMA in the Twitter space, but I was kind of expecting that. But also we got another update real quick saying Shiba Inu trending on socials with 19,000 tweets. So we're doing a lot of trending, y'all. Shiba Inu is not going on anywhere. Please don't take any of this information as FUD, but we really want to get serious and get to the bottom of what the community is wanting to know. We might have to put together the voice of the Shiba Inu community or something like that, because we have to get our voice out. We need answers to the things we want to know. And it's fine if they don't have the complete answers, but we need to get a solid answer to some of these questions instead of just pushing them to the side and not really providing true clarity on them. So shout out to Queenie, shout out to everybody that was holding it down, shout out to Sheep Informer, shout out to Milkshake, shout out to Watcher Guru, William Volk, Archangel was in there, a lot of everybody else that was in there, man. Shout out to y'all for all pulling up. But yeah, man, we'll be definitely going deeper into this tomorrow. Get y'all some questions that y'all have, that y'all want to ask. We'll be talking about it on the stream. Also, we'll go over this article real quick before we do a price check. But breaking: Shiba Inu to release 99,000 pieces of land in the Shibverse metaverse. The Shiba Guru AMA was held today, and Archangel confirmed that 99,000 pieces of land in the Shiba Inu's upcoming metaverse, Shibverse, will be released. The launch will be a 10-day land event where leash holders will get first access to view, bid, and purchase the SHIB lands. So remember, this will be like an auction style sale. So you'll have to lock up your leash for that 10-day period, and if you win the bid, then you'll get the land. So however, only 35,000 plots will be released at first. After the first batch of lands are sold out, the rest of the lands will be released stage-wise. The second batch of lands will be open to everyone and not just leash holders. So nonetheless, the pricing of the lands have not been revealed and will be out only during the 10-day land event. Shiba Inu's metaverse will include transaction options of the whole ecosystem, SHIB, Bone, and Leash. The maximum a wallet can purchase is 100 plots with a 10 by 10 land. To purchase lands in the metaverse Shibverse, you need to pay in Ethereum. Leash allows access only to early bidding, but investors need to pay in ETH to purchase the lands. Also, Shiboshis will get 2,000 lands that will be exclusively reserved for the Shiba Inu NFT holders. So that's all we got for that. Let's do a quick price check. Overall market is up right now 4.7%. We got Bitcoin at 38, just dipped back down to 37, up 3.3% on the day. Ethereum up 5% on the day. We just were down to about that 25 level yesterday. We got BNB down, well, up today almost 6%, but at 374, but it's still under that $400 level. Remember, I told you I'm bullish on BNB long term. XRP 71 cent, up 5% for the day. We got Cardano at 91 cent, up 10.9% on the day, almost 11%. Okay, looking nice. And then we got Doge sitting at 13 cent, up 4.5% on the day. Shiba Inu up 6% on the day so far, sitting at that 25 level. A lot of people were expecting the price to, absolutely pump. You've seen a lot of people commenting saying, why is the price going down? We did see it go up a little bit. Let's go in a smaller time frame. Okay, so we seen that, we started off here, the price, up to leading up to the event, we seen a nice pump in price. This is what we call people buying the rumor, people stepping in on, the hope of good news and catalysts releasing. They enter the positions, and then we see people the day of, start to sell off. They sell the news. So buy the rumor, sell the news. That's what we're seeing right here. And we seen, a nice little pump come in, and immediately that money was taken right off the table until we found some support down here at the 24.56 level, and then we started to slowly see the price rebound until after the AMA, and the price started to sell off after that. So it's still looking like the price wants to come down and test around right now back to these 24 levels. I told y'all yesterday that it looks like overall we might come around those 20 levels as well, but we have a few supports on the way down, so we might find a good support level before then. This 24 level is looking really good too. But it really depends on what happens with Bitcoin at this moment. So right now we got Bitcoin up 3.5%. Right now we're trading in between that 40,000 level, and let's take a look on the 4-hour chart. So we're trading right now between that 38,000 and that 36 range right now until we break that. So we're going to either have to find some support, get some good news coming in, but you got to remember to take a step back and look at the overall markets, look at, the policies in place right now, what's happening in the world. We see a lot of, FUD going on with Russia and Ukraine, a lot of uncertainty, people expecting, something to happen, and the markets don't like uncertainty. So we might, finish trading off in this downtrend until we find some support again around this 36 range for Bitcoin, or even potentially we could wick down to that 35 level, and even the 33 range is looking like a key support level. And if we see it, wick down at that 32, 33 level again, we might see a lot of fear start to kick in, and that would be, giving us back that $30,000 Bitcoin I've been telling y'all a while that, I think the market wants to shake everybody down to. It's not that I'm bearish at all, but I just know that the market makers would like to completely shake all the paper hands out of their investments. They want to, completely wreck people and make it so uncomfortable for people to be able to hold that bought in at the tops, that didn't understand technical analysis and how to buy in at the, key support levels where smart money would most likely buy in. They're trying to take all the money off the table from those people and basically shake it, continue to just shake the weak hands loose. So if you bought projects that you understand and you actually believe in them, then, I would just continue to hold. But that's all we got for this video. If you're interested in learning technical analysis and how to understand this information better, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. I told y'all my technical analysis course is for those that are ready to take their investing and trading to the next level, because I'm teaching you how to understand indicators, chart patterns, how to use this information together, and not just make basic decisions, but also wait for confirmations and, make better informed decisions overall. So reach out to me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. The Discord is also available. You can reach out to me. And that's pretty much all we got for this video, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. And we are out.